Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chicken noodle soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want a whole chicken or some bone-in pieces for maximum flavor in your broth. Don't forget fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, which form the aromatic base. Fresh herbs, such as a few sprigs of parsley and thyme, will also elevate your soup's taste. Quality ingredients are key to a truly delicious bowl. Now let's create that incredible broth. Place your chicken, chopped carrots, celery, and onion into a large pot. Cover everything with about 12 cups of cold water, add your herbs, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Cook for at least 90 minutes, skimming any foam that rises to the top. This step is crucial for a clear, flavorful broth. Once done, remove the chicken to cool, then shred the meat from the bones. With your rich broth ready, it's time to bring everything together. Strain the broth into a clean pot, discarding the cooked vegetables and bones. Now, add fresh, diced carrots and celery, along with about 8 ounces of your favorite egg noodles. Let these cook until tender. Finally, stir in your shredded chicken. Taste and adjust seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed, ensuring every spoonful is perfect. Your delicious homemade chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or dill for a burst of color and aroma. Serve it piping hot, perhaps with a side of warm, crusty bread for dipping. This comforting meal is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.